don't get it, but I try. But, and I have a lot of space for it because every chapter of my book actually has a long introduction of the ingredient, and I always start with a personal story, why that ingredient means what it means to me, and how it is in how it showed up in my personal and professional life, and how it changed. So I use my voice in that too, and my humor and my metaphors. So I agree. It's a way to fix things. I mean, otherwise we'd all be cooking from, I don't know, the New York Times. No, I'm kidding. But with like very, very specific recipes, and we don't be writing recipes that are exactly alike. And I wanted to just say something to what you said about, most chefs think that a half inch is actually a quarter inch. I love that. So I had this experience. I had just moved to San Francisco, and I went to buy some pancetta. I go to this meat shop, which I will not name because it's not nice. But I said, can I have a slice of pancetta, an inch slice? And then I look, and the salesperson is cutting like this much pancetta, and I say, oh, I just want an inch. And she says, yes. And I said, well, I just want an inch. And she turns around, they turn around, and they say, this is an inch. I was like, oh, okay.